Welcome to Wraveler Wanderlust, where we embark on as many adventures with our loved ones as we can. Our journey begins as we hike, following the sounds of rushing water. The anticipation builds as we weave through towering trees and listen to a symphony of chirping birds. The kids' excitement is contagious. We can't wait to witness the magical waterfall together. Here we are, standing in awe before the mighty waterfall. The sheer power and beauty of the cascading water leaves us speechless. We take a moment to soak in the breathtaking view. The kids' eyes light up with wonder. The waterfall invites us to dive into its crystal waters.